And my face is so oily. My face is so oily because of that vapor.
Well, that heat, it helps you with your cold too.